In this quick video, I will show you how to connect Kepler to EVMOS. So let's go to our Kepler wallet here, and unlike MetaMask wallet, EVMOS network cannot be deleted or added in Kepler wallet. Even if you go to settings here, you cannot see an option where you can delete or add a EVMOS network or any network in Kepler wallet, because EVMOS network is built in KEPLR wallet. You can see it here. And also, unlike MetaMask where you can add the network manually by going to your MetaMask here, click here and click add network, and on MetaMask you can add the network manually by clicking here. Then you're gonna need to fill all this information such as the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and also the block explorer URL. And if you want a easy way to add the network manually in MetaMask, you can go to chainlist.org and type down EVMOS. So again, you cannot add the EVMOS network in KEPLR wallet manually or even using chainlist, because again, EVMOS network is built in KEPLR wallet. So let's go to EVMOS here. We're going to discuss the two wallet addresses here that is showing here on your KEPLR wallet. So this address above is used for receiving token within the KEPLR wallet, and so this wallet address here below is used for receiving EVMOS token using a MetaMask wallet or any wallet that supports it. So for example, I want to send a EVMOS token from MetaMask. So I'm gonna click here, click MetaMask here, then click EVMOS, click send, paste the address, and for example, I want to send 0.49 EVMOS. Click next, click confirm, go to your KEPLR wallet. So our balance is 0.42, and now as you can see, we now have a 0.64 USD in our balance. So if you have any questions about how to connect KEPLR wallet to EVMOS, leave a comment below.